Audits and safety audits, whether you like them or not, it's a necessary evil, especially when it comes to improving health and safety performance at your workplace. And in this video, we're going to talk about safety audits and how we can ensure compliance and beyond. We're going to cover quite a few key themes and topics. Let's dive in. And if you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can keep you updated of new videos when they're being posted. Imagine a workplace where every individual feels safe, valued, and confident that their well-being is a priority. Safety audits are the stepping stones towards that vision. These systematic evaluations of workplace practices and procedures are designed to identify gaps and areas for improvement. By uncovering potential risks and aligning operations with safety standards, audits do more than tick boxes. They establish a culture of accountability and care. So one of the benefits, of course, there are several benefits, but when conducted regularly, safety audits empower organizations to build trust with their workforce and achieve long-term safety objectives. But why do safety audits matter? Well, compliance with safety regulations is essential not only to meet legal requirements, but also to ensure the well-being of employees and stakeholders. Safety audits serve as a proactive tool to uncover hidden hazards before they lead to incidents. Beyond compliance, audits drive continuous improvement by highlighting areas for enhancing safety protocols, processes, and infrastructure. By integrating audits into your routine, you foster a culture of vigilance that prioritizes both employee safety and operational excellence. Let's look at some different types of safety audits. Each type of safety audit plays a unique and essential role in building a safer workplace. With internal audits, these are conducted by your team. They help to reinforce ownership of safety practices. They create opportunities for direct engagement with employees, encouraging their input and commitment. Now, external audits are performed by third-party experts. They provide an unbiased evaluation. These audits often uncover blind spots and validate your safety practices against industry benchmarks. Compliance audits focus primarily or specifically on meeting regulatory requirements, ensuring you remain aligned with legal and industry standards. Lastly, let's look at process audits. Process audits examine specific workflows, providing insights into the efficiency and safety of individual operations. In terms of application of safety audits, the versatility of safety audits makes them invaluable across diverse industries. Typically in manufacturing, audits ensure the safe operation of machinery and assess production processes for potential risks. This leads to both safer environments and enhanced productivity. Construction sites benefit from audits that evaluate site conditions, equipment usage, and worker safety protocols. These actions mitigate risks in high-stakes environments. In healthcare, safety audits focus on critical areas like infection control, patient safety protocols, and facility cleanliness. These measures not only protect staff, but also safeguard the well-being of patients and visitors. Each application demonstrates how audits adapt to the unique needs of different sectors, driving safer practices everywhere. Looking at steps in conducting an effective audit, embarking on a safety audit involves careful and deliberate steps to ensure its success. You start by planning thoroughly. Define your audit scope and objectives, and assign roles and responsibilities to your team. Here, a clear roadmap ensures everyone is aligned. Preparation sets the stage for success. Gather all the necessary documents, data, and checklists, and inform staff about the upcoming audit. Transparency will, of course, foster cooperation. In execution, this is where the real work happens. You conduct site inspections, observe practices, and engage employees through interviews. The goal here is to gather comprehensive insights into safety practices. And finally, reporting. We compile the findings into a detailed report. This includes actionable recommendations that guide next steps, ensuring the audit leads to tangible improvements. The right tools will help transform a good audit into a great audit. Checklists are invaluable for ensuring no detail is overlooked. They provide structure and completeness to your evaluations. Audit software simplifies the process, from data collection to analysis. It also allows you to track findings and trend efficiently. Templates help to standardize reporting, making it easier to present results clearly and professionally. Consistency will help stakeholders understand some of the key takeaways. Finally, training materials equip your audit team with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. A well-prepared team ensures the audit's credibility and effectiveness. Resources are the foundation stone for any effective audit. If you look at industry guidelines, these offer a wealth of information on sector-specific and best practices. These ensure that your audit remains relevant and thorough. Regulatory standards act as benchmarks for compliance, guiding you through the maze of legal requirements. Expert consultations, of course, provide insights into complex areas of safety. These professionals can help address unique challenges or offer advice tailored to your organization's needs. Together, these resources empower you to conduct audits that are both rigorous and impactful. Let's now look at some real-world examples. Safety audits in the manufacturing plant are essential to ensuring the well-being of employees and the efficiency of operations. We can have machinery inspections that help verify that all the equipment operates safely and that maintenance schedules are up to date. This reduces the risk of mechanical failures and accidents. Looking at PPE compliance will ensure that employees are correctly equipped with and using the necessary safety gear. This builds a culture of accountability and adherence to safety protocols. This is not a gotcha approach to make sure that employees are wearing PPE, but more to ensure that employees are correctly equipped with and using the necessary safety gear. With safety signage, this is another critical focus. Ensuring visibility and clarity in signage improves hazard awareness and helps prevent avoidable incidents on the production floor. Construction sites are high-risk environments, making safety audits indispensable. Auditors often start with fall protection systems. They identify and address gaps that can lead to immediate safety improvements for workers at heights. Equipment inspections ensure all tools and machinery are functioning safely and effectively. Regular checks, of course, will minimize breakdowns and accidents. Auditors also examine training records, ensuring all workers are adequately trained and documentation is accurate. Improved training and record keeping enhances preparedness and compliance across the site. We need to, of course, look at recommendations for continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is at the heart of effective safety practices. A regular audit schedule will help track progress over time, ensuring that improvements are consistently implemented and maintained. Employee involvement is key. Encouraging staff to participate in audits builds ownership and creates a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. With follow-up actions, these should be prioritized and closely monitored. Implementing corrective measures based on audit findings ensures a meaningful progress. Technology integration is an invaluable tool. Digital solutions can streamline processes, making audits faster, more accurate, and easier to scale across larger operations. Even the most well-planned audits can face challenges, but these can be managed effectively. Resistance to change is a common issue. Open communication and education about the benefits of audits can help shift mindsets and foster cooperation. Resource constraints, whether time or budget, can be mitigated by focusing on the most critical areas and leveraging efficient auditing methods. With complex regulations, these can really become overwhelming, but staying informed and consulting experts will help ensure compliance and clarity. Knowledge and collaboration are your strongest assets when it comes to looking at complex regulations. What are the future trends in safety audits? There's no doubt that artificial intelligence is going to play a great role. AI is poised to revolutionize audits by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and predicting risks before they occur. Virtual reality offers immersive training for auditors, allowing them to practice in realistic scenarios without the risks of real-world environments. And cloud-based platforms will enable real-time collaboration and data sharing across teams, making audits more efficient and accessible, especially in organizations with multiple locations. Of course, we have to measure audit effectiveness. KPIs, or key performance indicators such as reductions in incidents and increased compliance scores, provide tangible proof of progress. Employee feedback is also a powerful metric. It gauges how safety culture and awareness evolve over time, offering insights into areas that still may need some attention. Tracking these metrics ensures that audits remain impactful, steering organizations toward a safer and more efficient future. In conclusion, effective safety audits are more than just a compliance tool. They're a reflection of an organization's values. They enhance safety culture, creating a workplace where every individual feels protected and valued. Audits ensure legal compliance, safeguarding organizations from penalties and ensuring alignment with evolving regulations. They can also contribute towards cost reduction by preventing accidents, which can lead to significant savings in the long term. Of course, we mustn't forget reputation. A strong safety culture enhances reputation, showcasing a commitment to employee welfare and building trust with stakeholders. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this short video on safety audits and ensuring compliance. If you're new to the channel, of course, please subscribe and I can update you with videos as I upload them. But if you've been here before, of course, I welcome your thoughts and comments, as with, of course, all newcomers. It's always good to have continuous improvement when it comes to creating these videos. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.